Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is use your phone as a magnifying glass. So first thing is open up the Google Play Store into your device and just simply search for a magnifier app on the search bar. So now we have the first application over here, which is Magnifier Magnifying Glass by Govo Tech. So tap on it. And from here, just make sure to install this application. And as you can see, it has over 1 million downloads. So pretty much this is a trusted application. And just simply open the app once you have done installing it. Now, for this application, you could have a magnifier and you could have a flashlight as well. So this is a two-in-one application. So from here, just simply select your language and just simply select the check icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you could just simply tap on next and tap on next. Now, right away, you should be able to see here magnifying. So you can just simply tap on magnifying. And from here, just simply allow the permission to take pictures and record a video. So tap on allow and allow access to your files. And from here, it will open up the camera. And on the left side, guys, you should be able to see here the zoom icon, which you could just simply zoom in into a specific things. And now you should be able to see the brightness as well over here. So you could adjust it accordingly. And if you want to do the flashlight, you could just simply select the flash icon on the top right corner and you should be able to turn on the flash. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.